Ah, romantic Paris. Are you visiting Paris for the first time? Come and enjoy the charming city of love, lights, and endless adventures. Whether you're here for the art, the food, or just to soak in the iconic views, this city is ready to amaze you at every corner. First up, the iconic Eiffel Tower. No Paris trip is complete without visiting this masterpiece. You can book your tickets online to skip the long lines, and if you're feeling adventurous, climb to the second level for an epic view. Next is the Louvre Museum. Check out the links in the description to book your guided tours and must-see places and secure your tickets. It's massive, so focus on a few key pieces, like the Mona Lisa or the Winged Victory. And seriously, just look at this place. Art and history at every turn. Even during renovations, Notre Dame is a must-see. The Gothic architecture is simply breathtaking, while the major sites are amazing. Getting lost in neighborhoods like Montmartre or Le Marais is where the real magic happens. Grab a croissant, wander the streets, and let Paris surprise you. And if you're visiting Paris, I highly recommend a Seine River cruise or book a hop-on, hop-off Paris big bus tour. Especially at night, just you can look at those sparkling lights of Paris. Check out the links in the description to book your Seine River cruise or bus tour online. It's one of the best ways to soak in the city without the crowds. Paris group tours are perfect for hitting the highlights without the hassle. Imagine skipping the lines at the Louvre or having a guide share stories behind each hidden gem. Plus, it's a great way to meet other travelers. There's nothing like experiencing Paris with friends or making some new ones along the way. Cheers to good company and incredible sights. Whether you're here for the romance, the culture, or the food, Paris truly has something for everyone. And remember, the best part of traveling is the stories you'll take home with you. Merci for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to book your guided tours and must-see places. Until next time, au revoir.